Hello, or a presentation. First, introduce myself. Second, talk about my week experience in Zermatt. Third, the weather in Zermatt. Fourth, recommendation if you go to Zermatt. Introduce myself. My name is Marlene Rivera Sierra. I'm doing a master in business management. I employee at the bank. I'm married. I live with my family. I'm from Cucuta. I have many roles. I'm housewife, student, daughter, employee. I like read esoteric books, sing. I love shopping and travel. I hate wash laundry and cook. This is my family. My husband's name is Orlando. He is a teacher of a school. It's me. My daughters' names are Argina and Alcyon. There are students. Argina is studying architect and Alcyon is studying in the school. This is my birthday, my last birthday. Talk about my experience in Zermatt. Last vacation, I went to Europe. I stayed 20 days with my daughters. I glad because it was cheap. I just paid $1,000. My husband helped me. I liked it because there were a lot of places to visit. For example, I went to Spain, France, Italy, and Switzerland. And I like I like the most Switzerland because its weather is cold, but it is nice. Snow, it is love and beauty. The people are friendly and comfortable hotels. Weather in Zermatt. The weather in Zermatt, Switzerland, is cold, but that place has seasons. In the spring seasons, the climate is sunny and colorful. In summer season, the climate is a relative mild. However, its mountains are cold with bright sunshine and moonlight. In the winter, there are freezing seasons with dry roads and blizzards. Recommendation if you go to Zermatt. Important point. It is recommended that people wear an anorak, gloves, and wool hat. People are out to know beautiful mountains and visit Matterhorn. Also, important point, it is hard better buy tickets in advance because there are many tourists. It is necessary that people shut windows and doors during winter. Zermatt is expensive. It is better that people buy and prepare their food. It's better. It is recommended that people change their euros for Swiss francs. Zermatt is cold. It is recommended that people take medicines. This town is small. It is advisable that people walk on foot. What should do? What should do? The people should buy tickets to visit Matterhorn. The people should book in advance in hotel. The people should wrap up warm. What shouldn't do? Important point, people shouldn't wear sandals. It is necessary people wear snow boots. People shouldn't go in their car because there are no cars engines, electricity only. The people shouldn't eat ice cream. No. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.